we invited you to join the LCIF Association. To become a member, just click on the link below. Here you can get support, information, and discounts. Hello guys! Welcome to Panlasang Lowcarb! Ang gagawin ko naman ngayon, sinabawang sardinas. So, ang aking sardinas is sardines in water. So, pag andyan kayo sa Pinas, pwede kayong gumamit ng sardines in tomato. Pero, piliin nyo ang pinaka-lowest carb. So, ang ating mga ingredients, onion, tomato, ginger, sibuyas, ghee butter. Ghee butter is optional only. You can use coconut oil. Patis, ito yung ating panglasa. Kung wala kayong patis, you can use salt. At eggs. At yung green leaves ko is spinach. So, spinach is optional. You can use malunggay. Let's do this!